Welcome back to GSM Tips. In today's video I will show you how to activate your Apple Watch. What you want to do is bring your phone close to the watch, and this is gonna pick it up. It's gonna check if the watch has any software updates. Just had to cancel it. It was just checking forever to update, so all you have to do is just press start pairing and set up for myself or family member, whichever you want to go for. If it's for yourself, set up for yourself. Then you will have to do this, so it will pair. And now if you wish to restore from backup, that's fine. Otherwise you can just set up as new, left or right, continue. It's already setting the language. Yeah, agree. You can automatically sign into your iCloud account, and it should be ready for you to use straight away. Right, now you have the option to add a passcode, create a passcode. You can adjust this at the beginning, but you can also do it after. I'm gonna skip all these a minute. I just wanna activate the watch. So disable the route tracking. Okay, continue. Not now. I don't want to set up like that. Set up later. Don't open automatically. Driving safely, continue. Syncing and getting ready for you to use. It does take a little while, but eventually it gets there depending on how much information has to sync. So here we are with my watch activated. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.